Hi everyone, my name is Sam. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. This will help me grow this channel. So in this video, I want to introduce you to a very useful brand new Microsoft app. So let's get started. So Microsoft Loop is a brand new app that lets you stay connected with your team. You can also sync in your different applications onto one place, so you don't have to switch between different applications. Like you don't have to switch between Microsoft Outlook or Teams and other applications. You can have everything kind of combined in one workspace. So Microsoft Loop is pretty easy to use. All you have to do is just enter the keywords for the project that you're working on, and it will give you different suggestions about that project, or it will give you different templates that you can use for your project. So the thing I like the most about Microsoft Loop is that you can work with your team. So for example, if you have an idea and you want to input from the rest of your team, you can share that idea with them and then they can comment on that idea and give you their input. You can use Loop on your phone as well. It has application available for iOS and the Android is coming soon. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.